So, providing jobs, especially sa trabaho party list, no? Makakatulong rin sila. Importante yon. Maraming kaya gawin. Kaya natin i-uplift talaga, i-address yung mga poverty incidents dito sa probinsya. Of course, kung ano yung budget ng province, I will do my best to really use that budget to provide the necessary programs and projects that really can provide help, no, the livelihood, no, that our constituents needs in our province, that para ma-improve yung mga kabuhayan nila. So at the same time, yung education, providing scholarship programs para sa mga estudyante, para yun talaga, education is one of the key element, no, to really uplift the lives of the people. So providing jobs, especially sa trabaho party list, no, makakatulong rin sila. Importante yon. Maraming kaya gawin. Importante lang ginagawa natin yung dapat natin gawin.